Hi and welcome to Covert Video Press. In this short demo video I'm going to show you how you can transform your blogs into your own profitable viral video empire. So you can cash in on the video craze without having to record your own videos. All with automated traffic from Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and other social media. People now spend more time watching video online than TV. In fact, YouTube is now the second most visited site online. So if you're not using video in your online marketing, you're going to get left behind. But what if you can't or don't want to create your own videos? Well, that's exactly why we created the Covert Video Press theme. So you can mimic YouTube and other big video sites to get people clicking on your videos automatically. So you can legally piggyback off other people's work to let you build huge video sites without ever having to create a single video yourself, and to let you stay in complete control over what content is being shown on your site, most importantly the ads, so that you pocket 100% of the revenue instead of sharing the leftovers from Google. Now let me take you for a quick tour so you can see how Covert Video Press does all of this and more. Let's start with a quick look at an example site. This one is based on football, or soccer as some people choose to call it, and you can see we have a whole bunch of videos for the recent World Cup, a fairly popular topic with a lot of traffic up for grabs. At the top you can have your site logo or title as an image or text, whichever you prefer. Then we have the order in which the videos are displayed. Now you can set your preference as a default, and the visitors can then change the order if they want using these options, including the most recently added videos, the most viewed, the top rated, and the default, which is the trending videos. Now here's the important bit. The Covert Video Press theme is self-optimizing, with the most popular trending videos, in other words those that are clicked on and viewed the most often, rising to the top over time. This maximizes the visitor engagement and gets you the most clicks possible. There's also the option for a featured videos area across the top, so you can choose specific videos to put right in front of people to get their attention. Perhaps your own videos, or videos that funnel people to one of your offers or an affiliate program. Okay, let's check out an individual post page as well. I'll scroll down and just pick one so you can see the layout, format and options for the page itself. And obviously we have the standard stuff like the title, the video itself, the description, the number of views and tags, all of which are picked up automatically for you. On top of that, there's also a ratings option to get people clicking and interacting with your post and your site. Then of course there's the social media like and share buttons to get people sharing your content with their friends. This obviously creates more backlinks and viral traffic from people sharing on their social media accounts, which is all good for your site rank in Google. The page also includes the related videos, just like on YouTube, to get people clicking on more related videos and further engaging with your site. Again, helping push your site higher in Google. And higher rankings means more free traffic for your site. Now if I scroll a bit further down, you'll notice, as well as the regular WordPress comments option at the bottom, we also have Facebook comments switched on. And because this integrates directly with people's Facebook accounts, it's even easier and more natural for your visitors to share your content, giving you more social engagement and resulting in even more viral traffic for your site on autopilot. And remember, all of these options are controlled by you in the back end of the theme. So how about let's go take a look at those settings so you can see just how quick and easy it is to get Covert Video Press up and running. First of all, you'll notice the options are split up into 10 step-by-step sections, and when you click on each, it expands to give you the full selection of options available. There's also a link to a tutorial video for each individual section in the top right hand corner here. Now at this point there's something important I want to cover. whilst Covert Video Press gives you total control over all aspects of its look and feel, from simple optics such as text, colours and background images, to advanced features like lead capture and retargeting pixel placement, it does also work out of the box with default settings, so it's not going to take you forever to get your new site up and running. The important part being when you are ready to customize your site to get it just how you want, you have all the options you need to do exactly that. So with that in mind, I'm not going to bamboozle you with just how much you can control in this theme. Instead, I'm going to give you a quick run through of some of the highlights. Header and footer configuration lets you control colours, categories and those menus for which order to display the videos on your site. The featured video rotator lets you specify which videos or category of videos to display in the featured video section, as well as which pages and posts it should appear on, if at all. Homepage settings gives you more control over the colours, layout and look and feel of the homepage. Then you've also got the single post settings where you can decide which of the content options are displayed. So you could, for example, hide the tags or ratings or related videos, etc. if you want to for some reason. Social sharing on a single post lets you decide on the type and formats for comments on posts, as well as the social network sites you want to include, such as Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google+, Tumblr and Reddit. Video options gives you some extra simple options for the videos, such as using schema markup, which can help your Google rankings. Lead capture and follow me gives you total control over the lightbox pop-up that will appear, if you want it to, when people go to leave your site, giving you the chance to offer them a bribe for an opt-in or to get them to follow you on your social media pages. And the advanced option allows you to quickly place raw code for things like retargeting pixels in the header or footer across your site without having to edit the pages or the theme itself. Okay, so what about content? Well, let's pop over to the Add Post page to check out some of the options we have available. And first up, you'll notice that again there's a video tutorial link right here on the page to make it super easy for you to get up and running. Now, when I scroll down, you can see that there is an option to pop in a link to a video of your own if you have one that you want to include. And you can even set your own view count, ratings, impressions and clicks for this video if you want to finagle the system and send your video straight to the top. If you don't have a video of your own, which will normally be the case, then simply pop in the URL for a video from YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion or Metacafe, along with the title and description you want, and hit post. The theme will automatically pick up the video thumbnail for you as well. And that's really all there is to it. Creating massive video niche sites couldn't be easier. But what about the money? What about the ads, I hear you say? Well, that's why we've also built in our special theme ads option. And let's have a look at that now. The settings are fairly self-explanatory. You can run up to 5 different ads. You can decide how many are shown on each page. You can decide how soon they appear, and you can decide whether they appear randomly or in the order that you create them. Now here's the really important bit. Whilst this is super simple, it's also extremely powerful, as you can use these for pretty much anything, from simple text messages, as I've got here in Ad Widget 2, to full-blown HTML with images and links. So with 2 quick, simple example ads that I set up earlier, let's save those settings, and once it refreshes, we can head back over to the home page of our site. And if I quickly scroll down the page, you'll see there are currently no ads appearing. So let's hit the refresh button in our browser, and once it refreshes, we can scroll back down again, and there we go. And you can see the first ad widget appearing for a sports betting system, so a content related ad within the content flow. Now these are super effective in content style ads, and you can play with the format as much as you like to get them to blend into your content and get more clicks. It's entirely up to you. With a bit of playing around, you'll find that you can really max out your click-through rates with these inline style ads, making monetizing any niche site a total breeze. And if I now hit refresh on the page again, we should, if we scroll down a bit, get the other advert that we stuck in the other widget. And remember, you can have up to 5 ads displaying as many as you want on each page, randomly or in order, all mixed in with your content for maximum effect. So by now you can see just how easy it is to create your own viral video niche empire with Covert Video Press. And remember, the video sites want you to use their content. They encourage it. It's also by far the quickest and easiest way to create fresh, unique content for your own niche sites. And people are used to YouTube. They will naturally like and share your content, giving you viral backlinks, Google rankings, and traffic on autopilot. Video is sticky. It gives you higher engagement rates, which Google loves for ranking. All of this adds up to more free targeted traffic for your niche video sites. Now, for a limited time only, you can get your hands on the brand new Covert Video Press version 3 at the special low early bird price. We will be selling this for at least $67 after this limited offer ends. Remember, you get full over-the-shoulder video tutorials to make sure you get the absolute most out of your new theme. And we include free ongoing updates so you'll never be left behind. And just for this launch offer, we're including multi-site and site flipping licenses so you can install the theme on as many of your sites as you want, as well as flip your site for quick profits. But you need to act now. The price will be going up again very soon, and the multi-site and site flipping license will be removed. So please scroll down now and grab your copy today, and we'll see you on the inside.